Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. I've taught you how the pivot points, KrisWaters, VX by DGT indicator works. In this short video, I'll show you my 100 times backtested result in a roll on the Euro-Japanese yen with the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator on the 15 minutes time frame. At the end of this result, we would see the effectiveness of the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator trading strategy in the market. The pivot points KrisWaters VX by DGT is an indicator that comprises different trading indicators in a single format. I've taught you how the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator helps to detect trade opportunities in the market. Therefore, I won't spend much time explaining how the indicator's parameters function in this video. If you need to refresh your knowledge about how the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator work, you can check the link I left in the description of this video. Remember to use the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator in the trending market. The most important signals on this trading indicator for my trading strategy are the directional movement, the Ichimoku cloud, the MA, the RSI, the stochastic, the Mark D, the fear and greed. The green circles dot supports bullish interest, and the increase in the green circles dot in this blue box suggests an increase in bullish momentum. Likewise, the red circles dot supports bearish interest, and the increase in the red circles dot in this blue box suggests an increase in bearish momentum. While the black circles dot supports ranging interest, and the increase in the black circles dot in this blue box suggests an indecision state in the market. To generate a buy signal with the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator in a bullish trend, at least 5 circles out of the total 7 circles should be green. I will place my stop loss at the last bearish swing. I will exit my buy position whenever there's a formation of 4 red circles. To generate a sell signal with the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator in a bearish trend, at least 5 circles out of the total 7 circles should be red. I will place my stop loss at the last bullish swing. I will exit my sell position whenever there's a formation of 4 green circles. I will only apply this indicator to trade in the direction of the higher time frame and not to anticipate the change in trends in the market. My trading concept will be focused on the 15 minutes time frame to trade in the direction of the 4-hour trend. With that being said and understood, it's time we proceed to execute my 100 trades based on the pivot points KrisWaters VX trading strategy on the 15 time frame of the Euro-Japanese yen. Here's the result I got after I backtested this trading concept 100 times on the 15-minute time frame of the Euro-Japanese yen with the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator. I implemented the 1 to 2R. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 60 wins and 40 losses. Most wins in a row is 6. Most losses in a row is 4. Gain on the account is 25%. Here's a good trading record. As we can see, the pivot points KrisWaters VX indicator gave a good trading record. As I said, this trading strategy works best when applied to trade on the lower time frame in the direction of the Dominion trend.